Yo.
There we go. TV. What makes you call it Sony TV? Huh?
You said what?
What made you call it Stony TV?
I don't know. I gotta get it crunked like a TV though. I'm gonna be
You need to get
sliding.
a new car.
I'm finna get a new car in a minute. It's at nighttime.
Let me see your screen. I'm gonna see your screen. Oh yeah. So you see how your shit say #1 at the top? You want that up. You want them points up. Right next to that 5.
Oh, well, when we...
Got a driver on the run. Let's get him. Some details of make and model would be really helpful. They're driving a BMW M3. All right, everyone. The hunt is on. Go get him.
Escape from the car. But if you, I could show you the account, bro. You be like, bro, how you get all this stuff?
You see out the cops?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, they harder than GTA.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
It is hard, cause them niggas gonna be let up. I just got caught by one. Talking to you on here, I just got caught by one. They hard to get let up. Once you get in that grass too, oh, it's over with. They got you in that grass. If you don't got no off-wheel tires.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I'm smoking you, boy.
What is that? Hey, the police over here. What the fuck? I hate when it recalibrates.
Ooh, hey, watch my screen real
You know what I
quick.
like about this though?
Watch my screen real quick.
Huh?
Watch how I dodge the cop. I did.
You better keep sliding. Keep going. Hit the nitrous. Hit the nitrous.